I carry my whole life in my backpack, which is probably why my old ones never survived. Because somehow, the straps always gave up before I did. So this one's reinforced exactly where it matters. And if you've ever carried a backpack through an Indian summer, you know this airflow at the back changes everything. I don't like stopping every 2 minutes just to find my stuff. A laptop gets its own protected space. At this point, surviving spills is just part of the job. "35 liters sounds excessive until you actually live out of your backpack. It keeps up with work, travel, chaos. And honestly, I don't think I can go back to regular backpacks anymore.